Here at Creative Works, we do everything. We do laser tags, VR, mini golf, lucky putt, escape rooms. And the cool part about that is 95% of it is all done in our building. From the start of the building, raw sheet goods to a finished product. I mean, our motto is we create epic memories, things that people can go out with their family and make memories with. Adults can go out and have a good time with all their friends, from VR to mini golf and laser tags. It's very unique and very different. It's always changing. I believe right now we're up to around 80 employees. Not only their skill level, but their culture is what makes this company successful.
Above everything else, productivity, sales numbers, quarterly goals, our goal is to grow people. When we were first looking at expanding, we were in a small manufacturing plant operating in 3 different buildings on the same campus, but we didn't really know how much space we needed because we were operating so inefficiently from 3 different buildings. We were introduced to SCHULER to help us kind of come up with a high-level plan for what the manufacturing would look like when we brought it all under one roof. Hired SCHULER to do the initial thought mapping of what production could look like if we were to start over, and then start to see if that would fit into any of these properties that we were looking at. And after about 2 days, we kind of landed on something that everybody felt was going to be suitable for the new version of our production facility. We went ahead and went for it with SCHULER, and above any other investment that we made through this entire process, that was probably #1, the most invaluable investment we made. Not just the practical factory layout, but some of the software, the process mapping, the information distribution, and all of those things. I would say we're between 40 and 50% more efficient in this building than we were in the last building.
I feel like we really hit the ground running in the new building, from front of the building to the back of the building, and he's got our processes laid out, and it's been huge about making this successful. Each department knows where it is, we know where it needs to go, our products flow through, we're not backtracking, it's organized, and I think that's key to minimizing mistakes and making things more efficient. The employees are happier because they're not hunting stuff down, you're not chasing stuff. SCHULER, Martin's been instrumental in getting this building set up with where we are now. He talked to everybody down the line and saw their needs and saw what they're looking for, and he brought us in a blueprint and morphed it into what we were looking for, but bringing a lot of these streamlined ideas into it. He spent time seeing our bottlenecks and seeing, why are you doing it this way? Asking questions, not telling us that we're doing it wrong, but to know why we do it this way. And then goes back, and processes it all and came up with this plan. And honestly, we stuck to it very closely when we came into this new building, and it really paid off.